Hi guys, right, today I'm going to be showing you a brand new subscription box. This is number 39. This is all about our mix and match embossing folder. Over 220 elements, makes a minimum of 24 cards. Let's dive straight in to see everything that you're going to be getting. Nicely packaged within our Crafter's Companion box. We have got a lovely little welcome from Sarah, nicely wrapped within our Crafter's Companion tissue paper. And then this is the box of goodies. Now this is all about embossing folders. It's mixing and matching, and that is because this one specifically is embossing, but what you've also got is you've got the die that die cuts as well. So you have got that one there. Then we are going into our 5x5 embossing folders, where we have got 3 of them. Now we've got 3 different designs. Now this one's a real fine polka dot embossing folder. Then we have got this ornate swirl, absolutely glorious within that one there. And then last but not least, we've got this super cool chevron effect within that embossing folder. Then to complement all of those embossing folders, we have got some stamps. Now these are going to finish off your projects and your cards. Nice selection of different sentiments for throughout the year. So that is your stamp sets that you get included. Then you get your embellishments as well. Now these ones, within your gems, this will instantly show you the colour theme that's going to be running throughout box number 39. Then we've also given you some ribbon. So if we dive straight in, we've got satin ribbons and a bit more of a higher pastel toned when it comes to these ones here. So we have got 3 different widths, and also, as you can see there, we've got 3 different colours as well. So that is your ribbons. Then what we're also going to be giving you within this one is some of your pre-die cut sentiments and also some die cut flowers. All you need to do is just pop them out. You don't need to do any cutting, nothing whatsoever. That's going to complement your projects. Same with the sentiments. If you want to ink them, go over the top with your alcohol pens, you absolutely can do. Then, to create the background for your cards, what we've got is our colour cardstock. These are 8x8, and these are such bright colours. Remind me of ice lolly colours when it comes to these ones here. Matte, so if you want to add extra ink to them, you can. If you want to then come on top and do some stamping, you absolutely can as well. So that is those ones. 15 sheets of these ones that you get. Then we're going to go into the printed papers. Printed papers where you get 18 sheets, and you've got a variety of different designs that are going to complement the embossing folders. So some chevrons, some polka dots, some flourishes, as well as some swirls too. Also matte, which also means that you can stamp and you can ink on top of them as well. Then this is where you can make the minimum of 24 cards, and that's because you get the card blanks included. You get your 5x7, you get your C6, but then you also get your 6x6. So these are instantly giving you that initial base to do your crafting with. And then to get your card blanks, you're also going to get your envelopes as well. So same size envelopes that's going to complement your card blanks that you have got. By having the card blanks, having the envelopes, that is then going to complement the full box, where you then get your cards, you get your projects, you get your stamps. You can then add some ribbons onto them. You can add some gems onto them. You can ink around the edges if you so wish. You can add the sentiment stamps as well. You can then ink onto the corners, ink onto the sentiments, ink onto the embossing folders. So many different looks, different styles, and different crafting techniques that you can do when it comes to our embossing folders. That is what you can be making when it comes to box number 39, which is all about our mixing and matching embossing folders.